In exercise 2.2b, it reads that using diagrams, that is circle, we should find the HCF of the following. And we have about 8 questions for us to solve. I have equally showed you how to use prime factorization in determining the HCF of two or more numbers. In this exercise, we shall be using the diagrams. Exercise 2.2b, question number 1, says using diagrams, that is circle, we should find the HCF of the following. What we are going to do now in the use of diagrams is this. We shall express each of these numbers as a product of its prime factors. Thereafter, we shall represent it using in a diagrammatic form using circle. And where those two circles overlap, we are going to have the common factors of these two numbers. And for us to get the HCF is going to be the product of all the numbers you find in the overlapping of these two circles. So what I mean is this. I shall express 168 as the product of its prime factors. And how do I get that? I'm going to divide 168 by prime numbers. 2 can divide. So 2 can divide because when you add up 168, the digit in 168, it gives you a multiple of 2. Or the last digit of 168 is an even number. So 168 divided by 2, 2 into 1 it cannot, 2 into 16 is 8 times, and 2 into 8 is 4. 2 can still divide because it is divisible by 2. 2 into 8 is 4. 2 into 4 is 2. 2 can still divide for same reason. 2 into 4 is 2, and 2 into 2 is 1. 2 can no longer divide because 51 is not divisible by 2. But 3 can divide. 3 into 21 is 7, and 7 into itself is 1. So 168 can be expressed as the product of its prime factors to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. We are going to do same to 240. So you also divide 240 repeatedly. 240 is divisible by 2 because the last digit is a multiple, is divisible by 2. So 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 4 is 2, and 0 is 0. 2 can still divide. This is 60. 2 can still divide, which is 30. 2 can still divide, which is 15. 2 cannot divide 15, so we therefore use the next, which is 3. 3 into 15 is 5, and 5 into itself is 1. So 240 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Yes. So representing this using a diagram, I'm going to draw the diagram. Using set notation, we're going to have something like this, where this is said to be the factors of 168, and this is 240. This region is said to be the region where we have those factors that are common. So let's circle out the common ones. This is common. Nothing else is common. So the ones that are common should be in the overlapped circle. That is, 2 is common 1 times 2, 3. So we have 3 sets of 2s and 1 set of 3s. Others you can find in 168 but not in 240 will now be in this region. So we have it as 7, and here we have 2 and 5. So this is how you can represent it using the diagram. So how do we get the HCF? The HCF will now be the product of all those in the overlapped region. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So 24 is said to be the HCF of 168 and 240. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. What I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next question on this exercise.